Greetings, my dear Trekkies. Welcome to the next video in the Star Trek playlist. In this one, we will take a look at the NX-01 Refit, so the NX Refit class. Sure, this refit was not featured in the series in the Enterprise, but it was supposed to, and in the third season of Picard we actually see it, though only from the far. And I always liked the design. It was a nice bridge between NX class and the Constitution class, so I decided to actually make it. So without further ado, let's go to Creo and take a look. And here we are, and here is the the NX refit. So yeah, as you can see, it's basically NX class with the secondary hull attached to it. I already used the stand, which you know from the standard NX class. It is now updated with the info, so it says NX refit and now SS Enterprise. Other than that, there is basically no difference. So the saucer section is identical to the one of the standard NX, and even nacelles are almost the same, though the outer halves are different to now show the change from NX to NX refit. Yeah, so they are now looking like this. And the only difference, or the main difference, is the secondary hull. So we will now take a look at the secondary hull. I will get rid of the stand, and now we will take a look. So, uh, first things first, the back is one big piece. Once again, I highly recommend to actually print it with the organic supports. It's wonders how it turns out. Then we will have this piece. Now, as you can see here, it has a back and this piece has a hole, so they snap together. And it has one big rectangular hole here. That's for the part 2 and 3, which are two halves, and they will go together and snap inside this piece. Then you will insert the main dish, yeah, because here we have a back and the dish has a corresponding hole. And last but not least, you will simply insert the neck. Yeah, the neck. I forgot to get rid of this. The neck goes here to this opening and it is attached through this peg. And that's it. You will attach the peg. Uh, you will attach the neck and this part. And then once those are in place like this, you will simply click on place the back piece, attach the nacelles, and the ship is done. Yeah, so and here we have a hole for the stand. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. That's how you assemble it. So now we will take a look at the print. And here we are, and this is the Columbia Refit Enterprise. Yeah, just like with the normal NX, I really am not fan about the painting. Yeah, you can see that the text looks really bad. Unfortunately, I cannot really do better. And even other painted stuff doesn't look great. So I decided that basically because of that, in the future, when I will design a different enterprises, I will bend the design a little bit to be more suited for 3D printing, and mainly the text, yeah, the name of the ship and the NCC number will be on separate plates, which will have the text flat and printed in double colors, so that I don't have to paint it at all. Yeah, so here you can see the secondary hall, and yeah. Yeah, everything fit together quite nicely. The only problem I had with the stand, but in future I will do better job, certainly. Yeah. So that's basically it. Just like with the NX01 NX class, I didn't really bother to actually record the assembly because yeah, in the CAD I think I show it clearly enough. So yeah, I think that everybody will be able to actually assemble it together. Yeah, the saucer section is exactly the same, and the secondary hull is very easy. Okay, yeah, so that's it, and yeah, so that will be all for this video, and we will see each other in the next video, which will be a constitution class, which I currently am designing. Okay, have a very nice day, and bye bye.